So today we'll be talking about the periodic table of the elements. So the periodic table contains the elements of each substance in the world. There are 63 elements, and they are divided chemically and physically, and they are put in a pattern. So they're also put as so to the left are metals, which is from helium to unductium, or to aluminum. So that staircase over there that divides the metals and the non-metals. So the non-metals are, for example, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. They're also put into groups or columns or families, as we call them, from vertically. So like six would be a column because it's put on vertically. So 6 has chromium, molybdenum, tungsten, and seaborgium. From horizontal, which is called rows or periods, are these numbers here that goes up to 7. So that would be an example of rubidiums, and number 5, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, and niobium, and so on and so forth. They're also put into sections like alkaline metals, alkaline earth, and halogen and noble gases. So alkaline metals are labeled here in the red, which is lithium, sodium, potassium and rubidium, cesium and francium. For the alkaline earth, which is next to the alkaline metals, are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. And the halogens, which is highlighted in purple, are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and acetine. Also, in 117 over here, septium. The noble gases, then we'll talk about the noble gases, which is in the last part of the periodic table at the end. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. That's the periodic table. It's also, so the periodic table is also it was found out by this guy named Mendeleev, and he tried sorting the elements into a pattern based on their properties. He also found a pattern in predicting the properties of the elements not yet discovered, and he would wrote down the properties of each element on a card, such as the melting point, density, and color. Using the cards, he sorted the elements into a pattern based on their properties. Elements are also arranged in order by increasing atomic mass. So the atomic mass is below the hydrogen, the word hydrogen, which is 1. As the elements get larger, the atomic mass increases. So that's 1. So that's 1.0. The other one will be 4.0. Next would be lithium, would be 6.9. 9.0 beryllium. Over here in 13 boron 10.8, 12, 14, 16, 19, and 20, so on and so forth. It'll get high, it will increase. Also Mendeleev, the one who discovered 63 elements, early periodic table was useful for two reasons. They were to discover the patterns of properties of elements, and he used to predict unknown elements or non-discovered ones.